Where does the name for Diserth or Dyserth come from? So today I'm in a small village on the banks of the River Fithion in Denbighshire. The name Dyserth, comes ultimately from Latin desertum. Desertum is like a hermitage or a cell, a place where a holy man would hide himself away from the world in order to find God. And the original one was next to the waterfall. Now there are a couple of Dyserths around Britain. There's Diserth in Fife in Scotland and there's Dyserth in Ireland as well, but interestingly England doesn't have any. Now the original Dysertum, the Dyserth, was apparently made by St Coivan in the 6th century, who also gave his name to Llangoivan in Anglesey. So the name literally means a hermitage or a cell. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. I appreciate it, all the times that people do that for me. And if you want to support me on my quest, my pilgrimage to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.